I'd like to call the second speaker of today's program, Riazuddin Nadwi, and his talk for today, how to learn grammar. Grammar is a very essential part of the language, but how to balance the grammar and the language? For that, I would like to call Riazuddin Nadwi.
Alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. I hope you are well. I'm Riazuddin. I'm alim. I have an alimiyyah from Jamia, from the Al-Ulum Nadwatul Ulama, Lucknow. Presently, I'm pursuing personality development course at Madrasa Baitul Ulum, Sindagi in Karnataka, where I learn spoken English, spoken Arabic and computer. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Madrasa Baitul Ulum and Sunnah English Medium School for imparting us a wonderful platform to enlighten our brains and develop our personalities. Today I am here to talk about importance of English grammar. Why studying grammar is so important? If you want expert in any language, if you want master in any language, you should be learn the rules and regulations of the language. That's called grammar. Introduction of the English grammar. English grammar is an important part of speaking which help you to express yourself in current and clear English. Grammar rules help you structure sentences correctly and communicate your ideas to other people. It also helps you to understand other people's words and communicate well with them. Why grammar is essential? Grammar is an essential part of learning English. Grammar also plays a vital role in building confidence when speaking or writing in the language. How can learn grammar by easy way? Nowadays, students consider English grammar as a burden and try to escape from it all the time. And that is fact, too much grammar is too much confusion. And nowadays, students consider English grammar is hard for us and try to escape from it all the time. There are many ways through which we can learn English: by studying the books, by speaking the native speakers, by delivering the weekly speeches, but you should be learn the grammar by practical base. How to improve your grammar? By listening the native speakers, by reading the newspapers and magazines, by reading the books, by delivering the weekly speeches and speaking together in English. So these are the some types of tense and their examples by practical base. Affirmative, I come here. Negative, I don't come here. Interrogative, do I come here? Interrogative, negative, do I not come here? Question word interrogative, why do I come here? Question word interrogative, negative, why do I not come here? Imperative, oh Allah, guide me perform the salah the best way. Prohibitive, never worship idols or associate partners with Allah. So these are the some lines. By this way, you can easily learn the English grammar, and by this way, you can easily become the master of English language and the master of English grammar. I end up my talk with a special thanks to you all, wonderful people, for listening to me with great patience. Thank you so much and have a nice day.